Hello, welcome back. So this is going to be Introduction to Organic Chemistry 1 where I'm going to talk about just the syllabus alone. I'm going to do a similar video for OChem 2 as well, but this is for OChem 1. So the OChem 1 always it starts with structure and bonding. So this is exactly the same syllabus which is used by pretty much all the universities. So the only difference is the spectroscopy. I haven't seen spectroscopy as part of OChem 1 until like 5 years ago, but I started seeing spectroscopy as part of OChem 1 lately. So I just put it in there. That's why I marked it in red because it's one of like the difficult concepts, but it's not hard. So always they start with Introduction to Organic Chemistry 1, which includes structure and bonding. They talk about review of whatever you learned in Gen Chem 2 and you get in here. The new thing would be like Lewis structures and drawing structures in a different forms. The next they jump into acids and bases. Here again you learned in Gen Chem 2 about Bronsted, Lowry, Lewis acids and bases, but now you learn its application in organic chemistry. So pKs, Ks, which side the reaction is favorable. So the next one is Introduction to Organic Molecules and Functional Groups. Usually this chapter and alkanes are combined together. I put it separate here. They talk about IUPAC naming functional groups and also boiling points, melting points. And alkanes, alkyl halides. So from here, each functional group is going to be its own chapter, and all the chapters are going to include nomenclature, how you name them, and you will learn about like preparation of them, like how do you prepare them, and then you're gonna learn how to use it, like preparation and reactions of this particular groups. And one unique chapter here is the stereochemistry, and also very important chapter. You see it in MCAT or whatever organic chemistry reactions or wherever you're doing organic chemistry, you will come across stereochemistry. So stereochemistry is going to be part of all the chapters, everything you learn in OChem. But this is where you get introduced to it, like how do you name them, how do you recognize chiral molecules, optical activity, and all of those things. So the next one is going to be like alkenes, alcohols, and ethers. So it's exactly the same thing. And alkyl halides is one more important one where you're getting introduced to like general reactions. How do you do reactions, which will include nucleophilic and elimination reactions. So I hope this a quick brief introduction is going to help you guys, and I'll start making videos of each chapter as we get into it. A very brief chapters, not more than 3 or 4 minutes. I hope this helps. Thank you.